Hey, what's up guys? Dennis here from PrimeTraders.com, and in this video we are going to be going over a trade recap on all of the trades executed yesterday, which was the 19th of February 2020. We had 4 trades in total, 2 on the DAX, 1 on Euro NZD, and the other one on USD SEC. Now, all were in a profit except one. It hit an SL overnight and then went right in towards our profit. Went right into the profit area, but it was a loser. And we're going to go over absolutely all of them so we can show you exactly why we've taken them, what we did while we traded them, so you, my friend, can learn a little bit more from us. You ready? Let's go. Okay, so before we actually go into the charts, I want to show you the trades. There's the DAX, opened at 7 a.m. GMT plus 2 yesterday. Then we had Euro NZD open for the New York session. So the DAX was a London session trade, well, pre-London session. We had nothing special going on in the London session. Right before the New York opened, we went with Euro NZD, we went with the DAX, and then we went with the SEC. It was a news trade. I'm going to go over all of them in detail. So let's go to the trading view chart and I'll show you how they worked out. All in all, a profit was achieved, which is always great, and the profit was pretty solid. Today, we have USD CHF, which you can find on our trading view, but I'll put it on our blog too, just to explain the trade and why we've taken it. That's pretty much it. This is a fresh Excel because we just started doing something like this from now. Yeah, let's go over the trades. I'm excited. Okay, so we are in our Discord community. I'm on the trade alert section. There is DAX 7:10 a.m. intraday selling. There's the entry, TP, pips, RR, and everything else explained. Now I'm going to show you this here. This was a 1-hour chart with price action finding support towards this area here. Let me just broaden this, make this bigger. Finding resistance after finding support, breakout, resistance, and price action created this little contraction. I will go over the trading view and show you how it worked out, but we did move the stop loss into profit here. So as it explains here, price action is completing a contraction below the 30% of the recent swing high to low. We have a potential reversal candle on the previous candle, and this looks like the best entry indicator. All we need is a breakout of the contraction. Now the 4-hour chart is still in a solid 2x contraction. It's indicating strong selling, and that actually worked out. There was a bit of news coming out, blah, blah, blah. We explained that, and what I'm going to do now is go into trading view and show you that actual trade. So let's see, that's 7 a.m. GMT. This was the contraction. This is the secondary trade, by the way. You can see the stop loss getting hit. So I won't really go over that. There was a big push up. I woke up in the morning, stop loss hit. It's now going into profit after a retest here, but I'm not going to ride the wave here. I will clean everything up on the 1-hour chart, and I want to show you exactly what we did here by using the replay button. Boom. So this is what we were looking at, guys. This is exactly what we were looking at. And the chart view was 30 minutes because it was early in the day. And we have this. We have a potential contraction of price. See? Coming to a pretty interesting support level. We'll draw this together. It's going to work out soon. And what we have is the bottom, and then we have the top. And there's the 30%, okay? So let's watch this together. Let's go next, next, next. There it is. So, boom, and there it is. So we entered this trade, and price action quickly took a dive down. There it is. There's that dive down. This is when we locked in our trade. And very quickly the trade failed. Price action couldn't continue lower. And what I want to show you next is the reason we locked in the trade. By the way, we locked it only a little bit. It wasn't a big move. So check this out. Price action couldn't really come to the 50% of this contraction. And there's that straight line of the Dow chain channel acting as a support pretty much at this zone here. You see this? So price action used this level as support, couldn't continue lower, and we got stopped out. And then boom, 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 there it goes up, which is fine. and we didn't care about it much. But then we entered another trade, and that was late at night, and you've seen it. It actually stopped out. Um, Even though price action is moving lower now and things are working out, we really don't want to be in this trade anymore. The next one I want to go over is Euro NZD. So check this out. Entry 16891, TP with a chance of raising it to this one with the SL here. And let me explain what we saw. We have a contraction leading to a support level. The support level was tested 3 times in the last 24 hours or so, and we have now a breakout out of the trendline resistance. The RR is not excellent. It's just 1.5%, 1.5 to the 100, but it gets much better at 120, and that's what we were targeting. So check this out. There's the contraction, there's the support, and there's the breakout happening now. There's the take profit, 120%. Let's go over that together. So, Euro NZD. Boom. Let's check out the 1 hour. There was another contraction, by the way, and that's why we went out early. And then we re-entered on the buy. Now let me show you on the 4 hour what we've saw. Check this out. So we have a support from the side here. Now, what we saw here is this. The 1 hour, there is a support level right here, which was a resistance. And guess what? We have this. And if you guys seen, there was our entry right there. Price action quickly went up, made a retest here, and boom, 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 all the take profits were reached. And how would we find the take profit? Boom, 120%, 161. Both were reached, and the trade ended up working just great. So that's the profit ones. Now let's go over USD SEC. There's USD SEC. Now this one, as it's explained in the little, what is it called? This here, what you guys see is SL at break even turned into trailing SL. We made about 700 euros here, which pretty much covered the loss almost of this one. So we only ended up losing like 0.2% because this one turned into a trailing stop loss. So as price action went down, we turned it into a trailing stop loss, and pretty much it was knocked out somewhere here. We ended up in a profit for the day, which is absolutely just lovely. And yeah, and that's pretty much it. There's your recap in under 10 minutes. Thank you, and I'll see you later.